I'm Uday Agarwal, fourth year student from Merit University. This video is about how I completed my internship in an early stage startup, why I chose startup instead of other established companies, and how I gained a lot of experience in such a small span of time in working in a startup. So currently I'm in my 8th semester of college, and in this semester we have to do an internship or a job in order to gain a professional experience or a company experience. So like to know how companies really work, how companies really write production code. So I applied to a lot of companies initially, to like other big tech companies, medium-sized companies, but I wasn't able to select in much of those companies. So later I applied to early stage startup companies. So I got selected in some. So like I decided to join an early stage startup rather than others, those medium-sized companies. So when I joined this company VoxUp, so let me tell you a bit about VoxUp and what it do. VoxUp helps entrepreneurs. So every startup starts with a problem, and VoxUp is connecting entrepreneurs with the problem facers. So like VoxUp is a platform where problem facers can come and post their problem, and problem solvers like entrepreneurs or people who do side projects can come and read out those problems, and if they are really passionate to solve that problem, they can come, think of an idea and start building the product for that problem. Later when they have built that product, they can come and comment about their product or MVP, and they can get feedback from the users who have faced that problem, whether that product will be effective for them or not. So I really liked the idea, and I was really willing to work in that company. So the company stack is like, it's in Django Web Framework plus Django REST API. So when I joined the company, I didn't know much about Django REST API. Also, I wasn't sure whether I will be perform good in that company or not, because I didn't have a professional experience, because I have done projects in college, but I didn't have professional work experience. So when I joined the company, I was a bit worried and nervous, but at the later stage of I started working on the projects, I learned a lot. Like I saw other interns, and like I learned a lot from them. I told them what I didn't know, and I asked them what I wanted to know. So there was a like exchange of thoughts and the processes and how they are approaching the problem and how they are willing to work on it. So all those things helped me to learn a lot, helped me to work on the helped me to know more about the libraries which I haven't worked on till now. Also, while working on this internship, I got to know how to structure the code, and as well as how to write a production ready code so that it doesn't affect user experience when it is when it goes live. So the internship was really amazing. I made a lot of connections in the professional market as well as in the entrepreneurial market. Also, I worked on many technologies that I haven't worked on in past, but I am really or pretty sure about it right now, that I know something about that technology. Always there is still more to go about, because everything, the technological market is getting updated, like something new is coming every day, so you need to be updated about it. Also the mentors, they were really professional. The way they taught us about new technologies as well as how to write that code was really effective and like worth giving a shot. Also, I learned how to use asynchronous programming in the backend, like, and where it will be effective, and how to develop applications which will be scalable in future. So I personally recommend everyone to join an internship in an early stage startup because it will change your life, because you learn a lot of things in a short span of time, as well as you make a lot of connections and you work on different fields which will enhance you as a person as well as professionally. Also, like, my communication skills has also been enhanced by working on this startup. In the end, I would like to say, like, this internship was a path changing internship for me, because it'll help me to gain something that I didn't knew about, how to work in a real world scenario. So thank you.